one nation, one election.
Ki nongyalam ka KHASI Student Union kibala artati ni ka jingsisha jong ki khendai ngot kibala puli Mbbs pat kumta kilale Iakynduh ia ka Myntri ka Tnat ka Koit ka Khiah ikong amprin lingdo hinin kasngi ban penpau ka jing persha ka jong ki Halor ka ni ka jingjiet ki nongyalam jong ka Voice of the People Party kumjo Iakynduh ia ikong amprin Halor ka ni ka jo kamat khamhaswa Myntri ka jing krem ginong tho khubor hadian balawai ka jing langbat ka KSU kalai tho bakin sa penthamai ki kerteng jong ki besha jin hadian pa kasor kar pedeng ha kamiet ski ublei kala penbenasa artli ki seat manai puli Mbbs na ka jela katkum ka jing ong jong ka ni Myntri kala pentikna ba uwe khna puli udai ban soya ka sekolah ba une ka ken syak ken tat lada lap bagi kot kisla ki jong ki long ki beshu thok Hakajuk kopor General Secretary ke KSU Samla Donald Thaba ulaong baki don kat tu kat ni kibla thep bat kini kim dei kinong song berpura ke jela kibla syajit manlet puli Mbbs na ke bah jong ke jela
complaints that certain students who are applying for Mbbs quota of the state government they are doubtful residents, so we did give a press release a few days back.
We have anyways ensured that every applicant who has applied for allocation of seats signs an undertaking that if any document found to be untrue and fraudulent, their seat will stand revoked. We also have that. We cannot delay this allotment of seat anymore because we are running out of time. Most institutions are giving deadlines to all who are availing the seats to report to their institution, I'm told already by 1st, 2nd, 3rd of September. We are already running late.
Ka Seng Congress kebedan hakal yang persya kalapan